A very good morning to everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So even I'm fine. Thank you. Okay class. Now can anyone tell me what day is today? I'm asking the day. So today is Thursday. Yes. So you can see that on the board also, isn't it? Today is Thursday and the date is 26th November. What are we going to learn today? Something really very interesting. So can anyone tell me first which subject class is this going on? We have started our maths class. Very good. Now maths is all about numbers. मैम ने आपको बताया था. What we do? We play with numbers in one or the other way, isn't it? Now today we are going to do something different but really very interesting. Okay, what are we going to do that? Before resuming the topic, what I want to ask you is one or two questions which you have to answer me. Clear? After getting the answers, we'll move ahead. Now, if you want to have anything like a new water bottle for your school, जब आप स्कूल आते हो, when you come to the school for the first time, लगता है ना, I need a new bag, a new water bottle, then new pencil box, मम्मा Spider-Man वाला चाहिए, मम्मा I want the Barbie one, है ना? ऐसे करते हैं ना? I want my pink color because it's my favorite. Then new colors, new books, notebooks, even your new uniform. So you buy a lot of new things, isn't it? From where you are getting that? वो कहाँ से मिलता है हमें? From where we get all these things? कहाँ जाते हैं हम उन सब चीजों को लेने? मम्मा के साथ कहाँ जाते हो आप? या पापा के साथ? You go to market. Very good. तो आप शॉपकीपर के पास जाते हो. You go to different shops like stationery shop से हम सारा books, notebooks, colors, pencils, sharpeners, erasers सब XYZ सारी चीजें लेते हैं. Then we go to the uniform shop. We take uniform from there. हम वहाँ से uniform लेते हैं अच्छे से size करके, है ना? New uniform. Then we take our shoes. Then we go to another shop to buy a new bag, water bottle, lunch box. सब new मजा आता है ना लेने में. So we go to market. Yes. हम कहाँ जाते हैं? Market जाते हैं. Very good. Now, once we have gone to the market, अब मार्केट में हमें पसंद आ गया कि फाइन आई वांट टू टेक दिस बैग. अब यू हैव टेकन इट, बट उस बैग को लेने के बाद क्या करना पड़ता है? व्हाट यू हैव टू गिव टू द शॉपकीपर. ऐसे तो नहीं है ना आप गए, अंकल मुझे वो बैग अच्छा लग रहा है वो दे दो, और वो लेके आप घर आ गए. ऐसे तो नहीं होता है. सो व्हेन यू वांट दैट बैग, यू हैव टू गिव समथिंग. क्या देना पड़ता है हमें उनको? यस, बताइए. ओके, इफ नॉट अ बैग, आप मम्मा के साथ कभी फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स परचेज करने जाते हो, देन चॉकलेट चिप्स, कभी भी यू वांट अ मम्मा प्लीज मुझे चॉकलेट खाना है. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर टेकिंग एनीथिंग, आप मार्केट में किसी भी शॉप से, बी दैट योर बैग और एनीथिंग, आप कुछ भी लेते हो, सो यू आर टेकिंग दैट थिंग. व्हाट यू आर गिविंग इन रिटर्न, आप उनको रिटर्न में क्या देते हो अंकल को? कैन यू टेल मी एनीवन व्हाट यू गिव इन रिटर्न? Yes, this is what we are going to study today. So we give them, पैसे देके आते हैं ना तुमको. 10 रुपीस का चिप का पैकेट लाए हो तो आप उनको 10 रुपये देके आते हो, या और कोई आप चीज लेकर आए हो तो अंकल को पैसे देके आते हो. So what we call that? Money. Yes. So this is what we are going to learn today. Now I have some things here on board. Like I have a bottle of jam. ठीक है? Then as I told you, a new dress. Then a chocolate bar. Then some vegetables I have. Then I have fruits here. Then a new bottle. Then I have pencil and eraser. You can call it your stationery also. what we do, we give something in return. हम उन्हें रिटर्न में कुछ देते हैं. अब आप ये मार्केट में लेने गए हो, दिस इज योर कलर बॉक्स, योर पेंसिल कलर्स. अब आप शॉपकीपर से जब ये लेने जा रहे हो, सो अंकल ने आपको दे दिया. व्हाट यू हैव टू गिव इन रिटर्न? पेंसिल बॉक्स, ये सॉरी पेंसिल कलर्स लेने के बाद ममा गिव्स हिम समथिंग. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज कॉल्ड मनी. यस, मनी. एंड वी हैव दिस मनी इन डिफरेंट अमाउंट्स, जो हमारे डिफरेंट करेंसीज होती है हमारी. नाउ in India we have lot of different currencies. We have old currencies also, we have new currencies. तो जैसे जैसे टाइम चेंज होता है, as the time changes the currency also changes. Now if you will talk about, कभी भी you can go and ask your grandparents कि what type of currencies they were using when they were small child, when they were kids like you. तो वो कौन सी करेंसी यूज करते थे? Is that currency similar to the currency what we are using today? So this is what we are going to learn and understand. Now, in your book, you have certain currencies given to identify that. So what we are going to do first open your book. I'll tell you how we are going to do. Open your book on page number 120 and 121. So these are the two pages we are going to do work. Before that, I will also show you different type of currency notes we have in India. Now, one thing which I want to tell you, when you will look to the different currency notes, you will find some things are similar on each and every note, and some things will be different from each and every note. For example, the sign. Can you tell me what is the sign of our Indian currency? I'll draw here. Yes. What is the sign of our Indian currency? Can anyone tell me? I'll tell you. See, this is the sign of Indian currency. जहां पे भी आपको ये लगा हुआ दिख रहा है, that means it's an Indian currency. It's a Indian currency. तो ये वाला साइन कहाँ मिलेगा हमें? हमारे इंडिया की जो भी डिफरेंट करेंसीज हैं उनके ऊपर हमें ये साइन जरूर मिलेगा. With this sign you will also see the national emblem on it. What is the national emblem? You remember the lion capital जिसमें हमें 3 faces of lion दिखते हैं और 1 face नहीं दिखता है. I told you ना what is lion capital जब हमने डिस्कस किया था different national symbols. So we discussed the lion capital. It's our national emblem. आपने देखा होगा जो भी हमारे पुलिसमैन होते हैं उनकी कैप पे यहाँ लगा होता है, या जो भी हमारा गवर्नमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट होता है उस पे वो नेशनल एम्बलम होता है. I'll show you on the currency note also. Okay. So this is the sign of our currency note. Then second thing, you will find the photograph, or you can say the picture of our favorite Bapuji. So who is Bapuji? The father of nation? Gandhi ji. Yes. So you will find the picture of Gandhi ji on each Indian currency. जो भी हमारे notes होते हैं, I'm not talking about coins, no, I'm talking about notes. जो भी Indian currency के note होते हैं, जो paper के बने हुए होते हैं notes, उनके ऊपर you will always find the photograph of Gandhi ji. Then you will find this symbol of money, the Indian currency. This is the symbol of Indian currency. Then national emblem. Then the amount is written on the currency note. So there are different things we find on currency note, जिससे हम ये पहचान सकते हैं what is the amount of this note. Clear? So let's move ahead and I'll show you different currency notes and then we will understand our work. Okay, beta? So class, now what we are going to do, we are going to identify different currency notes that we have with which we can buy different things. So as I told you, we are going to begin with the number 100. So you all know how to write 100 now? Now can you see this note? Yes, can you tell me what is the color of this note first? It's little bit purple in color. Yes, white and purple color. Now, as I told you, all the notes have the amount written on it. So see here, this is the rupee sign which I told you, isn't it? Now, this is the amount. कितने rupees का note है. Now, can you read this number? What it is written here? 100. That means इस note की जो value है वो 100 rupees है. Clear? And I told you whose photo is there on the note? Yes, our favorite Bapuji. You know that na? He is our Bapu, the father of nation, Shri Gandhi ji. So उनकी photo है देखिए इस note पे. Now, what is this? Can you tell me what is this? This is our national emblem, the lion capital. I told you about our national emblem when we were learning about different festivals. तो मैम ने आपको बताया था ना regarding Republic Day, Independence Day. Then we did different national symbols. So this national emblem is one of our national symbol. Clear? Now, one thing more very interesting which I want to tell you about our currency note is, can you see a number is written on this note? Can you see it is written here also? 9BT577209. Now, if you will look to different currency note, अगर आप 100 रुपये का ही कोई दूसरा currency note देखोगे, you will find this number will change. So when you see any currency note, हर currency note has every currency note has a different number written on it. Clear? So this is one information which you should remember, that this number, every note has a different number. Like every individual has a different roll number ना. Class में आपका आपके friend का अलग अलग roll number होता है. Similarly, every note has a different number. Clear? So now I am going to show you some more currency notes. So one, this is rupee 100. ये कितनी rupees का है? 100 rupees का note है ये. Clear? Now, next which I am going to show you is a 50 rupee note. See? देखो सब कुछ same है. We have Gandhi ji on it. We have national emblem on it. Isn't it? Rupees का sign भी same है. But amount change हो गया. Note का color change हो गया. Isn't it? So this is little bit green in color. Amount is 50. You know your counting now? तो अब आप ये रीड भी कर सकते हो. Now as I told you, every note has their own number. See, this note is having a different number. Understood? Now, rupee sign, national emblem, then Gandhi ji will be there on each and every note because it is our Indian currency. Now, Indian currency का sign बताया था मैम ने आपको, ये होता है. And because it's Indian currency, the national emblem is also there on it. अब आपको ये जो हमारा रुपी साइन है या नेशनल एम्बलम है, ये किसी और कंट्री की करेंसी पे नहीं मिलेगा. यू विल नॉट फाइंड इट ऑन अदर कंट्रीज करेंसीज. क्लियर? ओके, one is 100 rupee, one is 50. Now next we have is, can you tell me which note is this? 20 rupee note. Now I tell you one thing, this 20 rupee note is little bit different from this. अभी जो न्यू करेंसी का 20 rupee note है, that don't look like this. उसका look कुछ और है and I don't have that. Sorry for this. So I have this currency note, but we are using this currency note. This type of note is being used when we want to go and buy something. So still this currency note is in use. Clear? Now next we have is a 10 rupee note. Again it is an old currency, but still if you will go and you will give this note, you can buy something. ऐसा नहीं है कि this cannot be used. Clear? Then I have a 5 rupee note. See? Now these days actually 5 rupee, 2 rupee, 1 rupee are coming in coins. Even 10 rupee coins are coming. But earlier we used to have 1 rupee, 2 rupee note. Then 5 rupee note like this. Then we have, this is a 500 rupee. See, rupee 500. So it's a 500 rupee note. Now, if I want to show you 1 and 2, see here, can you see this coin? So it's a 2 rupee coin. If you will look to it carefully, it's a 2 rupee coin. It's 2 written on it. So it's a 2 rupee coin. Then I have 1 rupee coin also. See here. So this is a 1 rupee coin we have. Again, if you will look carefully, the symbol of rupee will be same. See here. Isn't it? And we have a national emblem on the other side of the coin. So this is what our currency notes look alike in actual. Really में हमारे currency notes ऐसे होते हैं. All the notes are different in color. कोई भी note same color का नहीं होता है. One thing. Then every note has a different number written on it and the amount on it. Understood that? Now, after this, what we are going to do, we are going to see what's given in the book today. So when you will open your book on page number 120, you are going to find the topic money. Clear? So what we are going to do first, let us write today's date. So today is 26th November 2020. And let's write CW here. It's your classwork. Now match the currency notes to make pair. Before that, what we are going to do, we are going to identify different notes. See, this is 5 rupee note as I have shown you. Does it look similar? Yes, this is the 5 rupee note which I showed you. And this is the one which is in your book. So it looks similar now. So this is a 5 rupee note. Now next we have is a 2 rupee note. So as I told you, these are the notes which we used to have in the olden days. Now might be your grandparents or your parents might have one in their album. But in rotation, we are using coins these days for 2 rupee and 1 rupee. Next we have is a 100 rupee note. So I have shown you something similar. Isn't it? Something similar I have shown you for your 100 rupee. Then we have a 50 rupee note. Here we have a 50 rupee note. So see, I have something similar. I have a 50 rupee note with me that looks similar like it. Next I have is, next here we have 20 rupees. So see, I have same 20 rupee note. A part of this you will find a new note which will look like this only, and the amount written in place of 50 will be 20. So if you get a chance to have something like that, keep it safe in your piggy. That will be like a beautiful collection you have. Clear? So this is again a 20 rupee note here we have. Now see, this is 10 rupee note. Now this is the new currency note. 10 rupee new currency note. Okay? And the one which I showed you was the old currency. ये हमारी old currency है and this is the new. But we can use this also. Is that clear to all? Now what we have to do, we have to match the currencies on this side with the similar looking currencies on the other side. Is that clear to all? So how are we going to do that? We are going to use our pencil color for this work. Now the first note given here is a 5 rupee note. The first which is given here is a 5 rupee note. So what you will do, you are going to search a 5 rupee note on this side and match. So here we have, let's match it like this. Done. Next we have is a 2 rupee note. So can you search a 2 rupee note on this side? Yes, we have one. So what we'll do, we'll take a different color and we'll match them both like this. Is that clear to all? Now next we have is 1 rupee note. So we'll match this 1 rupee note with the 1 rupee note on the other side. Like this. Done? Okay, now we have a 100 rupee note. So can you search for another 100 rupee note? Yes, it's here. So we are going to match them both like this. Okay. 50 rupee note. The next one we have is a 50 rupee note. So can you find the other one here at the end? So we'll match them like this. Now it's time for 20 rupees. Can you search a 20 rupee note? Yes, anyone? We have one here and the other one is here. So we'll go like this. And last is 10 rupee. So what we'll do, we'll match both these 10 rupee notes like this. Done? So this is how you are going to do your classwork today. Is that clear? This is how you are going to do your classwork. Now moving towards your homework. So what's your homework? When you will open the book on page 121, you are going to find some items here. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the market and find out the price of the given items. Write them in the boxes. So you don't have to go to market actually. You might be having all these things at home. Or nowadays we don't need to go market. What we do? We order our fruits, vegetables, groceries online, isn't it? Online हम Amazon app है, Big Basket है. There are different lot of apps जिन पे हम घर बैठ के we can order our things. So what you can do is no need to go out because it's really unsafe going out. So you can take a help from your parents. Ask them to open that online window for you, and from there you can check the price of these things. Clear? So here we have one bottle of jam, then 1 kg apple, then a chocolate bar, a pencil, then one book, a bread loaf. So you can check the prices of all these products online and can write that here. So this is your today's homework. Before that, let's write the date, 26th November 2020, and mention HW like this. Clear? So you have to complete your homework and classwork both. So class, I hope you have understood the topic of money. Now, money is something which we need at every moment. Clear? आपको मार्केट में छोटा सा चिप का पैकेट भी लेना है, या you want to buy a packet of biscuit for you, whatever, even for a bottle of water, if you have gone out for some picnic or some trip, if you want to purchase some water, you have to pay that. You have to pay for that. And how we are paying for anything that we are purchasing? In the form of money. कुछ भी purchase करना है, even if you are going and you like something, a keychain or whatever, you have to pay for it. Clear? Now, from where we are getting this money? Can anyone tell me? This is a circle we are following. Now, if I want something, I'll pay to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper को किसी और shop से सामान खरीदना है, तो जो पैसे मैंने उन्हें दिए, he will use to pay to that person. Clear? So this is a circle where we are rotating the money and giving it to each other and buy different things. One thing, when we were not having this money, जब बहुत years back when we were not having money, तो पता है how we used to do, how we used to buy and sell things against the things. कैसे करते थे? Like हम करते हैं ना, अच्छा ठीक है, मैं आपको आप मेरे साथ अगर खेलोगे तो मैं आपको 1 चॉकलेट दूंगा. We used to do this ना, हम करते हैं ना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. ठीक है, अगर आप मुझे इरेजर दोगे ना तो मैं कल आपके लिए टॉफी लेकर आऊंगा. Isn't it? So ऐसे ही बहुत पहले, years and years पहले ऐसे ही होता था कि अगर मुझे मार्केट में एक ड्रेस चाहिए तो मैं उस ड्रेस को लेने जाती थी. And after taking that dress, I have to give some things only. मैं उन्हें कुछ सामान ही पे करती थी. But then later on the currency developed and now we are doing all these sale purchase, जो भी सामान खरीदना है या we are selling something. So what we are using the currencies and the different type of currencies which I have shown you. A part of them, there are a lot other type of currencies. You can take help from your parents. They will show you at home. And yes, the most interesting part is your today's homework. So as I told you, no need to go out at all. You can visit different online sites like Groofers, Big Basket, and we have lot of different sites, Amazon और बहुत सारी हैं. I can't even count on my fingers. So whichever site your parents are using, ask them to open it, and from there you can find out the price of these things. step out of your home. Okay? So now it's time to complete this most interesting homework and share it with me. Bye. Take care.